What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I got going on, make sure you go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. You're going to come to this page, peruse around, and check everything out. All right, guys. All right, so today I want to come back with a program. I want to share with you a 2-year proven program that offers step-by-step roadmap to launch a real digital business, even if you're starting from zero. In other words, if you're brand new, don't know anything about the making money online space, the work from home, affiliate marketing, any of those things, from zero, right? It's going to show you that. No tech skills are needed, so you don't have to worry about the headache of tech skills, right? You can not even have a big social media following, okay, to get started with this program. There's no more guessing and wasting hours trying to figure out what to do and how to do. We know there's lots of programs out here. There's even some programs out here that haven't even been updated in years. They're just a program or course sitting in your dashboard. You log in and there's just a program sitting in there. There's nobody that's going to assist you. You're in business for yourself, all right? But there's nobody to help you. Over here, you're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself, all right? So you're getting the latest and greatest marketing strategies. This is an up-to-date program, all right? And guess what else? The program is designed specifically for newbies in mind, the non-technical people, busy people that's working jobs, 9-to-5ers, juggling family life, etc. Perfect for you because you're going to learn how to start making money online the smart way, the simple way. All right? And something that's going to last. This program is here to last. All right? Digital marketing is here to stay. Okay? It's been out for years, but it's hit some type of trend now where it's peaked, right? And you see a lot of people talking about digital marketing, right? So we know we're living in a digital world, right? So this is definitely, I highly recommend getting started here because it's a simple way to get started making money online because you don't have to create a program. It's already done for you. All the hard work has been done. The owner has done all the hard work. So she's made it simple. So let's check this out real quick here. And then I'm going to show you testimonies of folks where this is working. Okay. I've shown you guys payments I've received from the program. All right. But I want to show you some other people where you can just see, hey, this is working. But before we get into that, let's check this out. All right. Let's look here. Let's go over this. This is a complete digital business, guys. Okay? That's first and foremost. It's all digital, so you don't have to worry about shipping anything, sending anything. You don't even have to be customer service here. Everything is already done. When folks sign up with you on your link, they're going to instantly get access to the products that they purchase. So, yours to sell, you keep 100% of the profit. And it's already been proven. It's been out for 2 years now. It's over, 53,000 members in the program. We're talking paid members here. All right. So you're going to get instant access to the proven digital business system with mentorship. You're going to get tools, automation. It's going to show you how to automate everything so you can scale it up. And check this out. You're going to get lifetime access to expert training mentorship, okay, which is very important because over the years I've been an affiliate marketer for over 10 plus years. When I first got started in the industry, didn't have a mentor, didn't have any of that. I had to figure all this stuff out, right? And then there's no one to talk to about it, right? You don't have a mentor here. So with this, or if you signed up with someone, you can no longer reach out to them. They're no longer available. They've ghosted you, right? So over here, you're going to have lifetime training and mentorship. That makes a difference, okay? Think about that. You're also, with this program, you can become certified, a certified reseller license. You'll be able to do that with this program, which gives you credibility. And you're able to resell these digital programs and keep 100% profit. You're able to resell them because the owner has already done all the work and you have the authorization to do so because you've purchased the programs yourself. All right? So you get the resale rights to all 4 programs. There's 4 programs here. You get to keep 100% of the profit. These are high converting, proven digital products with 0 revenue sharing. Every dollar you earn is yours to keep. 100% profit. Okay. All the marketing material is in you get pre-built funnels, ready to use email swipes, sales funnel, and content to simplify selling and marketing with no guesswork. You don't have to pay your money and then go, well, now I don't know what to do. Or this is complicated where I can't follow it. None of that, because it's step by step. Simple, easy. Okay? Very easy. So you get the master resale rights to this entire package, and you can scale up your earnings. Okay, of course, we can't guarantee what you're going to make, but what we're saying is when you do sell any of these programs, you keep 100% of the profit. All right? You have to do some work. Your job is just to promote it. Everything is already built for you. Just follow the steps, right? So you get to resell the program and automate it. The training will show you how to automate everything so that once you set it up, you don't have to do that again. All your job is to drive traffic, which is people, visitors, to your capture page. All right? Get certified, plug into a proven system, learn and earn. Okay? So what I want to do now, though, and then I'm going to show you the 4 programs. I want to show you some proof of some folks where they're telling you, let's move this out the way. They're showing us this is working for them. So let's check that out. Hang on. Let's go into our community here. We have over 53,000 members in this group, right? Let's take a look. If we look right here, what does it say? 53,000, right? So this is the real deal. So let's look at some of the wins people are having. I want to shout some of these people out. So Tavy right here says another $300. $300 came in while getting my kids ready for bed. I used to make around $158 a day in my last job, working 9 to 10 hours a day. I never imagined making money online while doing laundry and cooking. Okay, so she's showing you here that this is working for her. Now let's look at this. Of course, everybody's success is going to be different. Again, we can't guarantee what you're going to make. I just want to show you that it's proven to work if you do the work. Okay, so here's another person that said they made $900. Took me 2 weeks when I was doing the dash. I still can't believe this is my life. I've been building a business for the past year. Homeschooling moms and kiddos. So 900 this person made. But check this one out. 900 while teaching my first grader. So this person is a teacher. And they've set up their system. They're driving traffic to it while they're working their job as a teacher. $900 came in, guys. So that's why I'm saying you can be a busy professional and still make this work if you do the work. They have the blueprint that show you how to do it. All right, so let's look at a few more here. Let's go here. Here's another person, $300 just after 5 p.m. All right, Andre is a trucker and he is super excited to get started. So look, $300 that person made. Here's somebody said they made $900 today. I made a sale on a Sunday, but this one was special because my friend decided to invest in herself to change her situation. All right, so it's possible. That's the thing. It's possible. Show you one more. Here's this person. I talked about this the other day. Check out this one. This is it. This gentleman made $900. He's 94 years old. Okay, 94 years young. Check it out. He is 94 years old, but decided to learn and help people. You see this? Check it out. Shout out to Mr. Allen. So we have people from 18, as you can see now, to 94 years old. I used to say 18 to 80, but now 94. So it's endless. It's possible. All right, let's check out this last one here. This is Cindy. She said, this is my first $900 sale. Not sure if this is where I'm supposed to post it. No problem there. I just joined a while back, and I think it was June, but I never got started. And now she made her first sale. So shout out to her. All right, guys. So just wanted to show you that this does work if you follow the steps. But I'm excited about this one. Mr. Allen here, 94 years young. All right, so let's take a look. Well, what are the options here? Well, we got 4 programs, guys. Get in where you fit in. We have the $900 legacy program. All right, it's that means you would get all 4 programs. It's $39 for your website. It's a one-time payment. There's no monthly fees with this. $900, you get all 4 programs. All right. Now, if $900, if you don't want to get the $900 program, get all 4. Well, check it out. Here's other options. We have the digital mastery. That's $600. That gives you 3 income streams because you're able to get the $100 program, the $300 program, and the $600 program. So you pay $639 one time, and you get 3 programs. Or we have the passive daily pay blueprint. That's $300. That will give you the $100 and the $300 program. Or you can get started for as low as $100, guys, and $139. Here is the launch pad. It's $139. Okay, so here's a program for everybody. Again, get in where you fit in. Okay, but if you go with the $900, you get all 4. And all of these programs, you're able to earn 100% commission. That whole price of the program, you get to keep. If you do the $900 program, you keep $900. $39 goes to the company. That's what the $39 is for. It's for your pre-built website. So that's what the company is making, a whole $39. All right. So if it sounds like something you're interested in getting started with, I highly recommend doing so. Proven program. We've got weekly lives. Okay, weekly lives. So you're gonna be, if you miss those lives, they're recorded, so you can go back and check them out. All right. So that's the other thing. You're able to get your questions answered here. All right. We have a. This is the community over here. So there's people in this from all over the world. So you can always get your question answered there. You can go and post it in the community. First, you can come up here and type whatever your question is, right? Type it here, and you'll see a thread of different posts that will more than likely answer that question. If not, you can come over here to the community, type your question here, and someone will answer, because it's a worldwide, nationwide program. People are in the program from all over the world. So someone will assist you. Then check this out. We also have a calendar that tells you what we got going on. All right. So you got your, on Mondays, you got your Monday motivated training. You got your legacy builder for the people that purchased the $900 program. Every Tuesday, if you look here, every Tuesday, see it says legacy builder, there's live training. Okay. Live training for those folks. And then on Tuesday, they have a 1 o'clock training as well. And then on Thursday, there's another training. See, there's 2 trainings here. And then this week they happen to have the webinar. But if you look, there's training. Okay. So this is live, where you can get your questions answered. That's what it's all about. Where people always say, hey, well, I can't get my questions answered in some of these groups. Well, you'll be able to do it here. Because first of all, there's over 53,000 people here, and this is a thriving, active group. This is just not one of those Facebook groups where it's stagnant. So you get your questions answered there, or you can hop on one of those live training calls and get your questions answered. All right. So this is definitely a program. If you've been following me, I've been promoting this thing from the beginning because I know it's a great program. You're getting live interactive training here, not to mention the daily videos that we get from the owner of the company. The owner of this company is present in this program every day, literally, holidays included. So you're going to get the training you need. All right. It's just that you got to do your part, right? So if it sounds like something you're interested in, go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info, which is this page right here, right? Come here, click on this little picture here, and it'll take you to my capture page so that you can go ahead and get started. Again, get in where you fit in, guys. You can get started for as low as $100 plus $39 for your website. And of course, yes, you can always upgrade at a later time. You may say, well, hey, I only got $139. No problem. At least you're getting started. You're taking action, and then you can always upgrade to the next level, which is the $300 program. And then the next program is the $600 program. And then the Legacy Builder is the $900, where you get all four. So it's scalable. Okay, so there's room to grow. But the big point of the matter is getting started. You know, we procrastinate a lot. All of us. We have done that, right? But you can't be in the game, right? You can't play in the game if you don't get in. That's it. But again, remember, you're not alone. Okay, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. And of course, if you decide to get started with me, my information is below. You can always reach out. I'm here to assist. Okay, guys? That's it. That's all. Thank you so much. I wanted to just talk about that. And I think I said this, but it's instant pay. If I didn't, instant pay. All right? You don't have, there's no delays waiting on a company to pay you. None of that. It's instant pay. As soon as someone joins from your link, purchase a program, you're getting paid instantly. All right? So, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.